Hello and welcome back to Chickanic. We just passed over 1 million views and I thought I would just get on here real quick and show you something special out of my personal collection. You either love them or you hate them, but you gotta admit they are super cute. Today I'm gonna show you my Mini Mac 35. So I had this saw given to me years ago. I still have the original case. One of the clamps is fixing to fall off if I'm not careful with it, but the other clamp is still in good shape. We're gonna open it up. Let's see what's inside. So if we look built into the case on this side, it has this little clamp holding in the maintenance toolkit, all original. In the maintenance toolkit, it comes with a file guide, a flat file, a depth gauge, a scrunch, a file handle. That's all awesome. Scrunch. Check that out. Still has all of its pieces. Now let's pull this bad boy out. Almost in mint condition, may I say. Everything looks so nice, like it was barely ever used. Now the Mini Macs, they had an automatic oiler, but they also had a manual oiler. They were about 32.8 cc's, and they were built from, I think, 1973 to 1979, something like that. So this saw is actually older than I am. Now I would love to be able to tear it apart and show you how to fix it all, but the fact is, I already fixed it a long time ago, and this bad boy runs like a scalded dog. So without further ado, let's go fire this bad boy up and cut something. Isn't it cute? It's loud, but cute. So before I say goodbye, I do got to tell you something. There's a little blooper in that last video I put out, how to fix your John Deere deck, idler pulleys, spindle, belt. I had my zipper down the entire time I was filming and had to cut out at least 10 minutes because it was showing my underwear, but I didn't want to reshoot the whole 2 hours of video that I actually shot, so if you would, please be nice. I didn't mean to flash y'all that whole video. So thanks again for tuning in to Chickanic. 1 million views I couldn't have done without you, and here's to another 1 million more. If you have time, find me on Facebook at facebook.com/Chickanic. Thanks, and have a great day.